The half-kneeling Smith machine shoulder press primarily targets the anterior deltoids on the front of the shoulders. The benefit of performing it in a half-kneeling position instead of sitting on a bench is the increased core engagement. However, the main drawback is this limits the amount of weight you can lift. Here's how to do it correctly. Position the bar on the Smith machine at a height that allows you to comfortably reach it while in a half-kneeling position. Place a mat or pad on the floor for knee cushioning. Assume a half-kneeling position with one knee on the mat and the other foot flat on the floor in front of you, forming a 90-degree angle with your front leg. Ensure your torso is upright and your core is engaged. Grip the bar with both hands with an overhand palms facing forward grip, positioning them slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Unlock the bar and press the bar upward, extending your arms fully while keeping your core engaged and your torso upright. Breathe out as you press the bar up and breathe in as you lower it back down. Keep your back straight and avoid arching it during the press. Under control, slowly lower the bar back to shoulder height, maintaining control of the movement. Repeat for reps. During your next set, switch legs and repeat the movement with the opposite knee down. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.